Good Holy Trinitarians, Good Holy Wildcats, bago tayo tuluyang maghiwa-hiwalay, gusto ko munang palakpakan ang lahat. Dahil congratulations, nakasurvive kayo sa first mission ng college life, ang orientation. At oo, walang quiz, pero may attendance. Sa buong araw na ito, marami tayong napag-usapan. Mga policies, offices, organizations, expectations, at syempre, yung mga bagay na sasabihin mong, kaya pala, or, maudiay. Ang pangalan ng event natin ay Explorientation. Kasi, ang college life ay hindi lang tungkol sa orientation, kundi tungkol din sa exploration. Explore your talents, explore new friendships, explore opportunities. Pero friendly reminder lang, huwag i-explore ang sagot ng katabi sa exam. Hindi po yan kasama sa student handbook. Habang nagsisimula kayo sa inyong journey dito sa Holy Trinity College, tandaan ninyo na normal lang ang kabahan, normal lang ang maligaw sa campus, at normal din ang magtanong kung saan ang next classroom, kahit nasa harap mo na pala ang classroom na yon. Lahat tayo dadaan dyan. College is not about being perfect. It's about learning, growing, making mistakes, standing up again, and creating memories that you will laugh about years from now. Kaya sa mga freshies, embrace every opportunities, sumali sa organizations, make new friends, listen to your professors, pass your requirements on time, at higit sa lahat, alagaan ang mental health, physical health, at ang inyong Wi-Fi connection tuwing online submission. Mahalaga lahat yan. Sa pagtatapos ng Explorientation 2026, sana hindi lang impormasyon ang dala ninyo, kundi excitement, confidence, at inspirasyon para simulan ang panibagong kabanata ng inyong buhay bilang tunay na Trinitarian. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every graduate was once a freshman. At bawat dean, naging estudyante rin na minsang nagtanong, "Ma'am, may plus points po ba ito?" Maraming salamat sa inyong active participation. Sa ating college president, Dr. Ray Albano, hardworking organizers, faculty members, student leaders, mga dancers and singers na nagbigay sigla sa ating programa, at sa lahat na naging bahagi ng programming ito. Special thanks to Miss Joanna Jean Patling ng ating SADO, the prime mover of this activity. Thank you everyone for making this affair a successful one. To our dear students, welcome to Holy Trinity College, where your dreams are challenged, your potential is discovered, and your future begins. This is your second home, and your teachers are your parents. So kung kayo ay hindi nag-aaral ng inyong lessons, matigas ang ulo at ayaw sumunod sa mga policies ng school, asahan ninyo kayo ay mapapagalitan. This is not the end of your orientation. This is just the beginning of your adventure. And remember always, sa inyong adventure sa Holy Trinity College, ang Trinitarian ay walang kinatatakutan, walang inaatrasan, at dugtong ng ating presidente, walang iwanan. Congratulations! Welcome once again. At laging tandaan, once a Trinitarian, always a wildcat. And once a wildcat, forever a Trinitarian. Explore with courage, learn with purpose, lead with integrity, and survive college, one deadline at a time. Goodbye, good luck, at sana ang susunod nating pagkikita ay hindi sa guidance office. Mabuhay tayong lahat.